Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is on the best garage floor tiles review. This list is the result of detailed research and hands-on testing, considering features, pricing, quality, and brand reputation. Make sure to check the description below for more details and up-to-date pricing. We've included all the links in the description below. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos.
Starting at number 5, American Floor Mat Sport 8mm. Ever dropped a heavy dumbbell and worried about cracking your floor? That used to be me, scratched floors and constant stress every work. Scrolling late at night, I discovered American Floor Mat Sport tiles. The seamless interlocking design instantly caught my attention. No glue needed. Installation was a breeze, just snap together, trim, and done. Now my gym floor absorbs shocks, protects equipment, and looks pro. Why risk damage when you can upgrade your gym in minutes? Ready to transform your space? Don't wait. Secure your tiles today. Number 4, Flooring Inc.'s Nitro Garage Flooring Tiles. Tired of boring, cracked garage floors? Let's upgrade together. First reason, these Nitro tiles are built for serious durability. Heavy cars, tools, or foot traffic? No problem. These tiles can handle it. Second reason, safety first. The diamond pattern is super slip resistant. No more worrying about slippery spills or rainy days in your garage. Third reason, installation is a total breeze. Just snap them together. No glue, no mess, and you can DIY in an afternoon. Plus, they're moisture resistant and super easy to clean up. Customize your garage layout, mix and match for your perfect look. These tiles adapt to foundation shifts, so no cracking like epoxy. Ideal for homeowners, DIY lovers, or anyone organizing their garage. Transform your space into a pro-level workshop or showroom. Trusted by Flooring Inc. for over a decade, quality you can count on. Ready for a garage makeover? Click to grab your Nitro tiles now. Don't wait. Make your garage safer, cleaner, and way more stylish. Follow for more smart garage upgrades and DIY tips. Number 3, Garage Floor Tiles Interlocking Garage Flooring Tiles. Tired of garage floor tiles that crack or buckle? Let's compare regular garage tiles to Boldworks' interlocking tiles. Regular tiles, often rubber or PVC, weak under heavy loads. Boldworks tiles, impact-resistant polypropylene, supports 40,000 pulsilbs. Regular tiles, only 4 interlocking loops, prone to popping up. Boldworks, 6-loop snap lock, stays flat and secure. Regular tiles, no UV coating, buckle in sunlight. Boldworks, UV coated, resists buckling and sun damage. Regular tiles, smooth, slippery surfaces, dangerous when wet. Boldworks, patented anti-slip brick pattern for extra safety. Regular tiles, stain easily, tough to clean. Boldworks, oil and stain resistant, wipes clean with ease. Regular tiles, complicated installation, need tools or glue. Boldworks, tool-free snap lock, install in under 10 minutes. Choose Boldworks for strength, safety, and easy DIY setup. Upgrade your garage. Click to order Boldworks tiles today. Number 2, Big Floors Race Deck Diamond Plate Design. Tired of cracked, stained, or slippery garage floors? Imagine transforming your garage in just one afternoon. Introducing Race Deck Diamond Plate Garage Flooring Tiles. Built for high performance, supports up to 80,000 pounds. Perfect for home garages, workshops, or showrooms. Installation is a breeze. Just snap tiles together, no tools needed. Patented power lock technology keeps tiles securely in place. Diamond plate design delivers unbeatable slip resistance. Spills, oil, dirt, and dust wipe away with ease. No stains, no fuss, just a quick mop or shop vac. Customize your space with endless design options. Mix and match with other race deck tiles for a unique look. Made in the USA, trusted by garages worldwide. Upgrade your garage with professional-grade flooring today. Ready for a cleaner, safer, and more stylish garage? Click now to get your Race Deck Diamond Plate tiles. Number 1, Ribtrax Pro Interlocking Garage Floor Tile. Ever seen a garage floor transform in minutes? Meet Swiss Trax Ribtrax Pro. Snap, click, done. No glue, no tools, just pure DIY satisfaction. Each pack covers over 10 square feet instantly. Built from ultra-strong polypropylene, tough as your projects. Spills, messes, just mop, blow, or pressure wash clean. Perfect for garages, workshops, even outdoor patios. Commercial space, residential retreat, both covered, lifetime warranty at home, 15 years for businesses. Tiles interlock seamlessly, no shifting, no gaps. Compatible only with Swiss Trax, unique fit, premium quality. Upgrade aesthetics and durability in one creative move. Imagine a garage that's stylish and performance ready. Ready to reinvent your space? Snap in Swiss Trax now.